Centurion here. Today's a cold day, Friday, December 19th, 2014. We're here with CYUL Plane Spotter. Again, we're spotting. It's pretty good, and today's the return inaugural of the Transaero Boeing 767-300 extended range. Surprisingly, they announced some kind of winter seasonal service. And sorry if you can't hear my voice, there's too many trucks up beside me, but they announced some winter seasonal service. So they're going to be flying their Boeing 767-300 extended range to inaugurate it today, and it's probably going to last until summer ops, which start at late March of 2015. Today's the only day they're flying a Dash 300 extended range. The next couple of days they'll be flying in a Dash 200 extended range, or a Dash 200. I'm sorry, I'm not sure if they have an extended range or is it just a 200. But a Boeing 767-200, we haven't seen one of those at Pearson in a while. One that is passenger, that is. Air Wisconsin just flew by. So guys, hopefully we catch him. Transaero 517, Boeing 767-300 extended range. Every Friday he's scheduled service now. This is the only day he's flying with a 763, and then the rest will be 762. They just gave him runway 05, so hopefully we catch it. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Next video you guys will be seeing will be Transaero. It's them. Inbound. It's pulling a crosswind. I'd say British Airways.
Train 609.
Damn, Russian pilots.